G'day everyone, Darren from Melbourne Electric Bicycles and Perth Electric Bike Centre, here to tell you today about how to remove a Bosch Powerpack from a frame mount on your electric bike. Today we're doing it on a Focus Tarifa, but many mountain bikes have the battery mounted this way, and also touring bikes. It's really easy to do, and you would do so if you were taking the battery out to charge it where you don't have the capacity to take power to the bike. All you do is take the key, pop it in the lock, turn it counterclockwise and remove the battery. It's as easy as that, and it enables you to charge the battery in there. When putting it back in, I suggest to take the key out, pop the battery in, listen for that click, and then check that the battery is in place. You've got a great warranty on these batteries, but not of course if they fall out and tumble to the ground. So just remember to double check. Darren at Melbourne Electric Bicycles and Perth Electric Bike Centre for fun, fitness and freedom.